In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import HTML code on Activecampaign. This is a helpful skill when you already have an email design built in HTML and you want to use it inside Activecampaign as a reusable template. By saving it as a template, you can quickly create future campaigns with the same layout and styling, without rebuilding everything from scratch. Start by logging into your Activecampaign account and heading to the Campaigns area. Once you are in Campaigns, look for the option called Campaign Templates and open it. This is the section where Activecampaign stores the designs you can reuse across different emails. In the top right corner, click the button that says Create a Template. This will begin the template setup process. You will see different template options, and for importing your own code, you will want to choose Custom HTML. Selecting Custom HTML tells Activecampaign that you will be providing the layout and styling yourself, rather than using the drag-and-drop designer. Next, type a clear template name. Choose something that will be easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates for different purposes. After naming it, click Continue to open the HTML editor. When the editor loads, you will see some default placeholder code already inside. Delete that placeholder code completely, so you have a clean space to work with. Then paste your HTML code directly into the editor window. Take your time here and make sure you paste the entire code from top to bottom without missing any sections. If your HTML includes inline styles, keep them intact, because many email clients rely on inline styling for consistent formatting. Once your code is in place, do a quick visual scan to confirm it looks complete and properly formatted in the editor. When you are ready, click Save and Exit. This saves your custom HTML as a template in Activecampaign, so you can select it later when building a campaign. And that is all there is to it.